Hello students, I am Shruti K. Dikshit of Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology Bhopal. This college is under the SAGE group. Today we will discuss the subject Electronic Devices, Scheme, Syllabus and Course Outcomes. This is second year, third semester subject and code of this subject is EC 304. EC 304. This is the scheme of RGPV. We have to discuss EC304 electronic devices scheme. The total weightage given to this subject is of 150 marks, theory 100 marks, and for practicals 50 marks weightage is given. Theory marks is classified into three categories. For written exam, 70 marks weightage is given. For mid-sem and PUT exam, 20 marks weightage is given. And for assignment and tutorial submission, 10 marks weightage is given. In practical, 30 marks for external viva and 20 marks for attendance and lab work submission. So practical 50 marks and theory 100 marks. Total weightage is 150 marks. This is the syllabus of electronic devices. First unit is all about semiconductor materials and special diodes. In semiconductor materials, we have to discuss P-type material, N-type material, then PN junction diode, and VI characteristics of PN junction diode, what is breakdown mechanism, and what are VI characteristics, voltage and current characteristics of PN junction diode. We will discuss in first unit. In second part of first unit, we will discuss different types of diodes, tunnel diodes, varactor diodes, Schottky diode, photodiodes, photodetectors, then light emitting diodes and solar cell. In the second unit, we will make the different circuits using diode. For example, clipper, clamper circuits, then rectifier circuits. Rectifiers means which converts AC into DC. Half-wave rectifier, what is half-wave rectifier, then what is full wave rectifier, and how to make the circuit of full wave bridge rectifier and center tap rectifier. Then filter circuits, voltage regulation using shunt and series regulator circuits we have to discuss in second unit. In third unit, we will see the fundamentals of BJT, bipolar junction transistor, common base, common collector, and common emitter configurations with input and output characteristics. BJT as an amplifier, then Eber-Molls model we will discuss in the third unit. Then we will discuss different transistor biasing circuits, different types of fixed biasing means using the transistor, how to make the different biasing circuits. We will see here its load analysis, then what is operating point, bias stabilization, we will discuss in the transistor biasing second part of the unit third. Then in fourth unit, we will discuss small signal analysis and large signal analysis. In small signal analysis, we will discuss hybrid model H parameters using transistors. Then we will discuss multi-stage amplifier, cascading of amplifiers, then bootstrapping technique, Darlington amplifier, cascade amplifier, coupling methods in multi-stage amplifier. In case of large signal analysis, we will discuss class A, class B, class AB, class C, class D, transformer coupled and push-pull amplifier. In the fifth and last unit, we will first see the basic difference between the bipolar junction transistor and field effect transistor. Then we will discuss two types of important type of field effect transistor, junction field effect transistor and metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor, its drain and transfer characteristics we have to discuss, and UJT we will discuss its principle of operation and characteristic. In this way, the 5 units are organized. In first units, we will discuss semiconductor materials and its properties, P-type, N-type, and PN junction diode. Then different types of diodes we will discuss in first unit. In second unit, we will make circuits using diodes, rectifier, clippers, and clampers. In the third unit, we will discuss bipolar junction transistor configuration, 3 configurations. As I have told you, common base, common collector, and common emitter, its input and output characteristics. Then different biasing circuits using this transistor we will discuss. In fourth unit, we will discuss multi-stage amplifier and H parameters. What are H parameters using this transistor? And large signal analysis, power amplifiers, we will discuss class A, class B, class push-pull amplifier. All these different types of power amplifiers we will discuss in fourth unit. And in fifth unit, we will discuss the field effect transistors, UJT, MOSFET, and JFET. Then RGPV has recommended books for electronic devices are Electronic Devices and Circuits by TMH Publishers. 2 books are recommended by RGPV by TMH Publisher is Millman and Halkias and Salivanan, and by PH Publisher Bolstead book is recommended, and JB Gupta book is recommended by RGPV. These are the course outcomes of electronic devices. First course outcome is students should acquire the knowledge about the P-type material, intrinsic type material, N-type material, analyze the PN junctions in semiconductor devices under various conditions, then study the characteristics of PN junction and describe the behavior of different types of diodes. Second course outcome is the student should able to design and analyze the half-wave and full-wave rectifiers, clipper circuits, clamper circuit, voltage regulator circuit using diodes. Third course outcome is to students should characterize the current flow of bipolar junction transistor configurations, common base, common emitter, and common collector, analyze this configuration, then simulate it, design amplifiers using BJT as well as MOSFETs. Fourth course outcome is to understand the operation and design of multi-stage amplifier for various types of power amplifier circuits. And fifth course outcome, student should able to verify the theoretical concepts through laboratory and simulation experiment. This fifth course outcome is exclusively based on laboratory. Student should able to implement the concepts which he has studied in the 5 units of theory, and it should be implemented in mini projects based on the concept of electronic circuits and compare experimental results with theoretical analysis. This is all about the scheme, syllabus, and course outcomes of electronic devices. Thank you.